Hi everyone, Archana here. I'm here with another beautiful kit which is for Christmas, and this is my last kit for this year. So I hope you will like this kit. This is little different kit. You can see what I'm going to give you in this kit. These papers are from South Africa and company called Fab Scraps. A lot of people know about this company. I wanted to mention about these papers. These papers are not very thick like Prima or the other kind of papers which you find like Graphic 45. They are thick, but these are not thick, but they are beautiful, and some people prefer thin papers. So I hope you will like this kit, and I will show you papers first and then we will move on to embellishments. So this kit called Holly Jolly kit. So you can see these double-sided papers already here, and these papers has like watercolor painted flowers or images, and they are double-sided papers, and the graphic and all the designs, colors, so pretty. It's really beautiful kit. It's very different, very unique kit, I can say. You can see all the prettiness here, and next page has all these journaling spots and some banners here, and these are larger wreath, so pretty. And then next page has another journaling spots in different sizes and some stripes here and there, and the back side is like this. Oh my gosh, so cute. You can see all the goodies here, all the Christmas goodies, cupcakes, candies, so pretty. And then this page, another page which has some Christmas trees on this page, and some another beautiful page with journaling spots. I love these birds, so cute. Arandos. And this one, amazing papers. They are so pretty in person. Actually, I don't know how to show you clearly, but I hope you can see clear pictures. We are having soaky rainy days from few days, and few more days we are having rain. So the weather is very gloomy, but I hope you can see. I think gloomy weather is perfect for pictures and filming. So amazing page, right? So cute, so cute. Oh, look at this bear. And some stars all over this page. Stunning page. And the next page is like this. Oh my goodness, so pretty page. So the half page is like that. All dangles are here. And look at these cute birds. Oh, I'm in love with these birds. Oh, so cute, super cute. Such a pretty page. And the back side is like that. It is a bottle green color, very deep green color, if you can see. And then this page has the graphics here and here on the corner. I love all these dangles, stunning. That's what these pages makes little delicate looking, because of all these cute stars and cute birds and ornaments, flowers, super cute. And the back side has all the stars here. I love this page so much. And then another page with these tags and banners. Very pretty. I love this green and red color. This red is very deep red. Very nice red color. And I love these stars and hearts. See, these hearts are so cute, very delicate looking. And these bows, super cute. Very pretty page. I love this page so much. And the back side of this page looks like this. Oh my goodness, wow, see, beautiful page. Wow, such a pretty page, such a pretty collection though. And the last but not the least, this page, you can see all the design on one corner, bows and hearts and ornaments, flowers, and the cute little birdies somewhere, and all the dangles are here on this side, and the back side has this one. Very cute page. And along with these 12 by 12 pages, I will have some solid pages papers also. I will show you. So let's get started with this pack. This collection comes with this pack, which is called Holy Christmas Collection, which has so many things in here, and I'm going to show you. So you will get, I think these are A4 size or little smaller than A4 size. Everything is here. I'll show you what's inside. You can see these things are inside. Kind of you got an idea, but I will show you each and everything. So along with 12 by 12, you are getting same pages or similar pages in this size as well. So let's see. And first page, you can see we already seen all these pages, but we will make sure they are similar or different. So these pages are like 12 by 12, but they are cutouts. You can see 12 by 12 sides we already seen. So they gave these stripes as well. You can see. So these are stripes, and these are the one side of the 12 by 12 pages. So basically you are getting two sets of this 12 by 12. So pretty. I am glad, means we got double pages, so they are enough for our projects, right? So these are the cutouts, side cutouts. Where are those? So all of these, super cute, right? So many pages, so many papers. Nice, right? And then we have these solid papers in the matching colors. So we have how many? One. Okay, I'll check. Or these are actually double-sided, two colors. See? So I'll show you this side first, and then I'll show you the other side. So how many pages we have? Total 6 pages, like this. These colors, they perfectly match, and the other side is also match, like this. So these are 8 by 8 size, and that's it in this kit, and not this kit, that package. And then we will have really beautiful wooden cutouts. These are the let's see, just like a chipboard pieces. These are wooden, and they just created like this. You can easily cut it with your scissors individually. So you will have a Christmas tree, ornaments, and snowflake, and some beautiful sentiments here. and a bell, reindeer, another sentiment. So this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, so 8-piece chipboard or wood. This is wood. I think this is wood. This is very thin wood, wooden chipboard set, and these are 2 big ornaments here in this package. And then we will have a stencil, and this is really useful stencil. Looks like this is envelope. Oh my goodness, this is envelope stencil. So you can see right here, and the envelopes, this end where you can open the flap, it has a Santa this shoes, or yeah, you can see right here, stocking, right? And you can see this stencil. So this is envelope stencil. I'll just get a page here so you can see. I hope you can see the shape, right? So you need to score, cut in 8 by 8. I will check if it's 8 by 8. We have a 8 by 8 paper here, so let's check. So this is 8 by 8, and this stencil is also 8 by 8. Perfect, right? Exactly 8 by 8. A little itty bitty larger than 8 by 8, but that's fine. We need that outer space, and then you can just score it and flip it. It's very easy. It's very easy envelope maker, right? Awesome. I loved it. We have another stencil too. So we have this one and this one too. So here is the another stencil. I'll quickly show you. Sorry. So let's check what's on here. So this stencil has some of the snowflake ornament and this bell, and like couple of snowflakes you can see. Very pretty. I love this traditional ornament. Very cute. You can use red and golden or red and green here. Very cute. So we have 2 stencils here. Yay, I'm so happy. So we have 2 stencils, and let's see what we got. So we have this sticker sheet. Yeah, this is the sticker sheet. So we have couple of tags here, and this wreath and some these tickets kind of thing. Cute stuff. And then I think we have another sticker sheet. Yeah, this is also sticker sheet. So we have all these things here. You can see these cute birdies, and lots of goodies are here. Super cute. So this is the part of this kit, and I have added some of the roses. Since this collection has roses, they don't have poinsettias. Look at these are watercolored roses. So I didn't added poinsettias, but I added 2 different sizes roses, 10 of each, and I have added 1 yard of the seam binding in red and a green color. Alright, so this kit is already listed in my store. Link is below description box, and we have 10 kits and they are ready to ship right now. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.